Okay, so in the past video, we created your first application, your first console application. But ngayon, gagawa tayo ng sample or understand natin yung ConsoleWrite or yung mga commands nito inside on the static void main. Um, so console means the console, the black and white window. You're you're telling the console that, console, please write this following text, and the console will execute that command. So as we describe the programming language or computer programming is a process of writing instructions to get executed. So that's what we're doing here. We're writing a program, we're writing an instructions. In our part, we're writing a console application. You are telling the console to write this one. So this is an example of instructions, and the computer will execute your command. You're telling the console, console, you should write this text, and the console will execute and follow the instructions that you write. And as you can see, we have the output to the console right here. Now we have different command. We have the write and we have the write line, as you can see. So write and write line, please make sure to capitalize the L, since it's different word, and in C sharp different words will be named as a capital, or what we call the camel case. In C sharp you need to use the camel case standard. So camel case standard means every words will be capitalized. In C sharp we need to follow the standard. So what does write line means? We're going to tell the console, console, please write, but after you write this one, go to the next line. When we say console.write, the cursor is beside the N in this text, but after we added the line in the right line, the cursor will go to the next line. So that means, console, write this text or write this string, and then after you write this string, go to the next line. So that's what write line means. Now this line 13 is console.read. So we need to add this code, so that if so what will happen if we don't add this code is the console will write this text and then go to the next line, and then it will terminate the program. So let's try that one. Okay, let's cut this one or remove that one, then run the program. As you can see, it's very quick. After I click the start debugging button, the console will run and then it will end. So that's why we added the console.read statement or code on line 13, so that after the console will write this string or text and then go to the next line, it will just stop or pause, wait for the user, or wait for you to input a text. So what does this code really means is you're telling the console that, console, please ask the user an input, and then it will read that input, and since we don't have any additional code here, it will terminate the programs. We can improve this code so that we can get the user's input in our console, but later on we're going to use it. But we need to have this one. We need to add this console.read statement or code, so that our console will not terminate after the execution of line 12. So I hope you understand this first program that we have. If you have questions, you can ask me on Twitter, ask me on Facebook.